In today's video, I'll be showing you this simple recipe of deep condition that's going to help you to promote your hair growth. If this is what you're interested in, please subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. We just need few ingredients and the deep condition is ready. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please watch the video all the way to the end. I just want to say thank you so much for all amazing love we'll be getting so far. This is my hair after 1 year of mini braids, and mini braids has been doing an amazing work on my hair. So let's get started. So in here are a lot of spices. I did a video whereby I created this. Okay, it's already in my channel. Do want to check it out. So I want to use this to enhance my mega growth deep condition. Okay, so it's for me, I call it my lazy wash day. Okay, so I don't really prepare any fresh batch, so I use the older ones I have, and I'll just grab my mega growth deep condition. This is anti-breakage strengthening deep condition. I love this deep condition so well. Okay, so I have been using it for over a year and it has been amazing on my hair. But I don't use it just like this. I always add my hydrate ingredient inside just to make it more potent. Okay, so this is the deep condition we'll be using, and I'll also be adding in some oil. This oil is a DIY hair growth oil. It's already in my channel. Do want to check it out. Okay, so I'm going to add it inside a plate just like this. I lost the clip where I was measuring it. I used 3 teaspoons of mega growth deep condition, and I pour all the whole batch of the Avidevic spices inside. So I thought it's gonna be a bit thicker, but it was not thick, so it was giving me this watery consistency. Then I added a few drops of oil inside, so the consistency is quite watery. And you guys know I just rebraided my hair. So normally if my braids were very old, okay, like almost to the ending of when I want to lose my hair, I will apply this on my hair. But my braid, I just braided it, so I don't want to leave any mess on my hair, so we're going to straighten. All right, so if you have a very old braid and you're about to lose it, you can use it this way. But if your braid is still new, all right, and you don't want any lot of residue on your hair, you have to straighten it. The previous one I did not add mega growth inside. I just used the hair mask just like this. But this one I added mega growth inside, and I believe the mega growth made it a bit watery. So we are going to strain it just to get only the juice. It's only the juice I need. I don't need the chaff, which I'll show you guys the huge chaff I got after I strained this out. So if you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. My name is naturally Jessie. Here I created a lot of amazing ingredients that's going to help you to promote your hair. I made a mess, but I cleaned it anyway. It's going to help you to promote your hair growth. I have been on mini braids challenge for over a year, and it has really improved my hair growth, my length retention. Okay, so I believe that mini braids has a good potential for hair growth. If you want to grow your hair, try mini braids out. All right, besties, so I'm going to squeeze this very well to get my juice. So as you can see, this is the chaff I don't need on my hair. Yes, because if I apply this on my hair, oh my god, it will take a lot of time before I rinse it out. So our condition, or will I call it our treatment, is ready, and I'm going to be turning this into my application bottle. So this application bottle makes it easy to apply on my hair. So I added in MSM powder as well. I used a very little 1/8 teaspoon of MSM powder. I added it inside there. Okay, I don't joke with MSM powder. I add MSM powder to every condition, leave-in, spray, anything I'm putting on my hair. I add MSM powder to it because it helps in promoting hair growth. Okay, because MSM powder is sulfur. All right, so I'm just going to be applying this all over my hair. Then after applying it all over my hair generously, we are going to enter. I'm going to use my heat cap. But if you don't have heat cap, you can wrap your hair around a hot towel. Alternative of not having heat cap, use hot towel and wrap your hair around it. Okay, so I apply this from my scalp to the root, massage, make sure that everything is all soaked on my hair. So love, I kept on applying this all over my hair, and I noticed that the application bottle was not pouring out the product very well. So I will remove the head and pour it directly on my hair. Yeah, if you watch this extent, please subscribe to the channel if you have not. Share a beautiful comment. Benefit of using this deep conditioner on your hair: you're going to grow a longer hair. If your hair is dry, freezed, it's going to help you to soften your hair. Okay, and if you are suffering from breakage, this, because we are going to be sitting on a hot cap, is going to help you to stop your breakage. Because you know, when you use heat to trap your anything you put on your hair, it makes the ingredients enter more in your hair strand. I don't know if we are communicating, if you are understanding what I'm dishing out. Yes, so I'm going to be using a heat cap on today's video. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this particular one, and if you feel that this is going to stain your hand, don't worry, it's not going to stain your hand. Your hand is going to still be clear. All right, so guys, I'm just going to keep on applying this. Make sure you apply this generously. Like, I still had to go to the bathroom and apply everything on my hair. Okay, I make sure that my hair absorbs this whole treatment because it needs to benefit. Like, I love using these ingredients together. Okay, and I'm done, and I'm going to be wearing my heat cap and allow this to sit for 30 minutes before I show you guys what it looks like. So this heat cap, I had to make it to be tighter, okay, because it has this string where you tie it and you heat to be able to stay on your hair more. So I'm going to allow this to sit for 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes I'll show you guys what it looks like. So 30 minutes is over, and this is what my hair looks like. My hair was steaming hot, like steaming hot inside. Okay, so I love the feeling I got. Like, my hair felt super soft. All right, my hair felt so soft, like really so soft. Done washing, it was so easy to wash. I just use water, cold water, rinse it out, and I use my normal condition, put it in on my hair, allow it to sit for another 10 minutes, then rinse it out, and this is the after result. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not. Share, comment. This is gonna leave your hair feeling so soft. Okay, so soft, help you in strengthening your hair strands and help you in promoting hair growth as well. Yes, so this is what my hair looks like after I rebraided my mini braid. Okay, so I feel I'm going to be, the next video you guys will see when I'm losing this hair is I'm going to be cutting my lengths. Yes, I'm going to be cutting the ends of my hair. But anyway guys, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye for now.